Welcome to first Jack. Welcome to episode 1 of Jack Cuts Shit Up.
I'll look around.
Like to actually do it there. Yeah. I'll put it. I'll just
until I found someone who laughs like you. I'll look around.
Good morning, everybody. What's going on? How's tricks? Welcome to Hansby. Welcome to this trailer. Today is shark dissection. I'm gonna change the angle because that is just stupid. I'm a stupid ass YouTuber. Welcome to Saturday. Today is bronzy dissection day. It's gonna be a nice day today. I'm videoing the dissection. I may be cutting up stuff in the dissection at 9 o'clock, which is in. I'm not wearing my watch. But you should wear a watch. Go down to the link in the description and click on it. Make me rich. Capitola watches. Love that. So at 9 o'clock, I'm going out to take pictures of this specimen with its number beside it. Each dissection is given a number. That number correlates to the dead animal on the table. I must photograph the dead animal on the table with the number linked to it. Do you pay me? Kamohe and Benjamin are currently on session 1. It's exclusive. It's the same crowd that was on the boat with me yesterday. They are the crowd that is also doing the dissection. So they had like a 5 o'clock pickup or something. Like me yesterday, Quiva slept in today. I heard Ben knocking on the door saying, yeah, it's 5:30. Get the fuck out! So Rachel and Kat are currently inside and they are going on session 2 at 10:30. I am excluded from boats today because I have to organise shit. Video wise. Yeah, that'll do, I think. My arse is working. Money. How are you, Rach? Are you? Oh, there's Kat. Mornings. Excited about the dissection? I moved it this morning. It's heavy.
Is it?
Yeah. So the first thing we have to do is to take measurements. And let me tell you, there's a lot of measurements. Boom.
I smell it in the fucking, like, if I walk into the front door.
I don't think it smells at all. It's all like dead fish in her mouth. Mashed up fish. 0.6. Did I cut it? Yes, I did. I need a fucking tetanus shot. Yo, the Italianos are out there. We're not going to really dissect it as such. We're just going to cut it open and show them what he needs to show them. And then we're going to be taking all the internal organs, weighing them, bagging them and stuff.
I will speak.
Yeah, no problem. No problem. How's that? Is that okay?
Okay,
Just
very,
keep-
very
keep them
kind.
all
Thank you
together.
very much for
No
your
problem.
help. It was
problem.
a big pleasure. So the students, for them, it was very
Yeah, yeah.
important to take a look
Absolutely.
for a different kind of sharks. Thank you very much.
No problem, Rio.
Thank
no problem
you,
at all.
thank you.
Hope you guys enjoyed it. Thank you guys. How's it? Welcome to first Jack. Welcome to episode 1 of Jack Cuts Shit Up. So, this here is a shark, and it's dead. That's all. So basically, we can't fit a shark into one of them yellow bags, so we have to like chop it into a bit of sections. But we have to get the stuff out of here first. Not even a fucking small bit. Oh! You have a bit of cartilage going on, and then you have red muscle and white muscle. And Quiva says white muscle is for endurance, and then the red muscle is for speed. Yeah. What's that? Brandy's around the boat! Oh my god!
Oh, there was no one in the cage,
What?
right? And Alfred's standing there and he was like, down, down, down! And we were like,
Who's Alfred?
oh, in the cage.
Who's Alfred?
Alfred, big.
What cage? Bye! So this is fish. You can see the bones, look at this. Yeah, look at that, that is class. Where did the editing say cut it? You said cut it behind the gills.